APC Backup Pro 1500S. How we set this up and what are included for ports on this device. Well, stick around and find out. Hi, I'm Dave, Tech Experts, and I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit something different. I'm going to show you how to hook up a new UPS. That means including connecting up the battery and going over all the ports and understanding what you should plug in to which port. We're going to go over an APC backup UPS. It's the 1500S series. Now this is going to be a big full-size UPS with a digital display and ports in the front and the back, and I'll go over all those ports. So let's jump on in and see what it looks like and how to hook up the battery and get it all going. Alright, so this is my APC UPS. This one is a APC Backup Pro 1500S is the model number I have here. I have it up vertically, but for the battery installation, I'm going to turn it on its side, and you'll see the little yellow sticker on the back over the surge protection, over the battery backup outlets, that's telling you you have to do this before you can start. So the first thing you're going to do, well, is peel off the sticker guide here. Now this panel here is pushed down and you slide it away, just like it'll show you on the diagram. You'll have to slide it all the way back before you can get it out. There's little slots in here that prevent you from lifting it ahead of time. When it has these pull info to lift up the battery, and the black is already in here like that. Now the red is in, the black is in, and now we can put the power cover back on, and we'll plug it in. Be careful, this carries serious power. And this is what the front looks like. It has the little covering over the front screens, so you can peel this off. Press the power button. This should cause your display to come on. You can see the different events, notifications, alarms, loads, percentages, and estimated time you can get out of it based on the current load. Now this button here mutes the alarm. So if I push that down, and then it shows you your load level above that. And then there's an outlets for charging a phone or mobile device in the front. So USB-C and USB-A both. So you could charge two devices off of this simultaneously out of the front. So if you want to charge your phone and your tablet, or your phone and another USB-A device, you can do either of those. USB-C is most likely your phone. And on the back we have two different sides. Circuit breaker, gigabit in and out Ethernet, coax in and out, and those cables are both included in the box. Battery plus surge is on this side, and so these are all just surge protection. This one outlet here is a battery plus surge, so if you had a big blocky plug, you could plug it in here, or this one here where it gives you a little bit more space. And then all the ones on this side are battery plus surge. That basically means it will run off of here in case the power goes out, and these will only protect you from a brownout or a power surge coming in. It will pop the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker is going to act as a way to prevent too much power from hitting your equipment all at once. It's faulty. So if you see this light come on here, this little red light is telling you the power in your house or your building is not clean, and that's what the red light means. And then you'll want to be looking at contacting your local electrician to make sure everything gets upgraded and up to code and is clean and good power. Ideally, you should let this fully charge before you put your equipment on. Now remember, you can't put a printer on here. If you're going to use your printer, you can only use one of the ports that says surge protection. You cannot put your printer on anything that has the backup, the battery and surge. Printers can only go on the surge side.
Okay, now I hope you found that video helpful. If so, please give me the big thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends and family. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button for me. I always ask you to subscribe because I want to keep you in the know. We have more How Do I guides, more tech tips, and more reviews, and more things we want you to be in the know about, like why it's important to use a good UPS to protect all your equipment. Now, if you haven't done so yet, please check out the links in my show's description down below. I will have a link up to this UPS. I'll also have a link up to an alternative one in there. There will be affiliate links. They do pay me a small commission. That commission continues to help me make amazing new content like this. I'll also have links up to other videos. Well, I've done other videos on UPSs compared to APC with CyberPower in the past and see which one's better. Either one is a great choice. I want to know, what are you doing to protect your equipment? Leave me a comment in the comments section down below. Again, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to working with you.